In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Guppy RSI in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine here. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is up on the screen, look towards the top of the interface for the indicators button. This is usually located near the center or toward the left of the top toolbar, right next to things like timeframes and drawing tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can access all built-in indicators, community scripts, and anything you've added to your favorites. When you click Indicators, a new window or panel will pop up, typically overlaying your chart. At the very top of this panel, you'll see a search box. This search box is the quickest way to find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through long lists. Click inside the search box so you can start typing. If you don't see the cursor blinking, just click once more to make sure the box is active. Now type the words Guppy RSI into the search field. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list below based on what you're entering. In just a moment, you should see results related to Guppy RSI appear. Make sure you select the correct version that you want to use. Once you see Guppy RSI in the list, simply click on it once. TradingView will instantly add it to your chart, usually in a separate panel below the price action. Give it a second to load, then you should see the Guppy RSI indicator displayed clearly. From here, you can customize it if you like by hovering over the indicator name on the left side of the panel, then clicking the settings icon. This is where you can adjust colors, line thickness, and any inputs the creator has made available. Take a moment to set it up so it's easy for you to read at a glance, because clarity is important when you're making trading decisions. If you're using the free version of TradingView and you want to unlock more indicator slots, extra alerts, and additional features, consider upgrading to TradingView Pro using the affiliate link in the description. It's a simple way to support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it gives you a smoother experience when you're working with indicators like Guppy RSI on multiple charts. That's all you need to do. Click on Indicators, use the search box to look for Guppy RSI, add it to your chart, customize it to your preference, and you're ready to start incorporating it into your analysis in TradingView Pro.